Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, because it's a Halloween tutorial. I'm gonna do a half face. First, I'm gonna do my face with my Benefit the Porefessional primer. Just place that to my T-zone, especially that area. And then for concealing my blemishes with my Wet n Wild Cover All Concealer Palette. I'm just precisely covering all my redness besides my nose, and then pat the concealer. And from the foundation, I'm mixing two foundations from Maybelline New York Fitme Matte+Poreless foundation, and I'm mixing 110 and 120. First, I'm gonna do a first layer, and then after that, I'm gonna do another second layer, so I can get my liking, and also blend it to my neck. And then for concealer, I'm using Perfect Coverage Concealer in medium beige. And for my bronzer concealer, I'm using my LA Girl Pro.Conceal HD concealer in shade Cool Tan. I'm just putting that concealer to my right side of my face and also to the side of my nose, contour it, then blend. Gonna bake my face with my Essence All About Matte Fixing Loose Powder as usual. Just gonna blend my under eye first before baking, and then for my bright face, I'm gonna do my brow with my Morphe Brow palette and only using the darkish shade. M.A.C Select Cover Up Concealer in shade NW20, and also put that to my other lids. Also, I'm gonna do my right face first and then to my left. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm using my Morphe 35U palette and taking that tan brownish color to my crease. And then taking the shimmery darker brown and just placing that also to my crease, mainly to my outer corner of my eyelids. And then taking that shimmery black / gray color then I'm taking this silver shimmery shade from the same palette and taking a precise flat brush and then I'm taking that other darker color or that darker shade and also placing that in my outer corner of my eyelids. And then for my lower lash line, I'm taking that brownish shade, really blend that well. I'm also taking that shimmery brown color and add it to my lower lash line. And also taking that dark shimmery shadow to my lower lash line, just to the outer corner, and also blending up again. And then taking that again, the first shade that I used to blend everything out, brow bone, I'm taking that white shimmery shadow and also put that in my inner corner of my eyes. And for the eyeliner, I'm using my Essence Super Last Liquid Eyeliner in black, and this is a waterproof GRWM. And for my mascara, of course, I'm using my Essence I Love Extreme Frizzy Mascara. Then I'm gonna take my Flormar waterproof eye pencil in black I'm gonna tighten my lines into my waterlines. And then smudging the eye pencil. And for my contour, I'm using my e.l.f. contour palette and mixing those two shades. And for my blush, I'm using my Essence Matte blush in shade Bury Me Up. I'm using the Balm Luminizer highlighter. I'm taking my Essence Kajal eye pencil in white to map out my face so I can see where I will do my skull half face or dead face. I did my left eyebrow off camera. And for the outer part of my eyebrow, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Color Icon Single Eyeshadow in shade Suede, and then I'm taking dark purple shade from the Morphe 35U palette for the inner corner of my eyebrows. And I'm taking that fresh purple shade from 35U palette from Morphe. And then taking that darker violet or purple shades, mainly focusing onto the center of the eyelids. And I'm taking this black shade eyeshadow from 3502 palette. Also blending that to my eyelids. Just note I'm gonna go back and forth with this black shade and the purple to intensify the color. And also I'm shading my inner part of my brows, and then I'm taking an angled precise brush so I can do a strong stroke for the frown. And here I'm just taking the black shadow, even more smoking out, and then for my temple from the left face, I'm taking that blue shades just to map out the temples. And then I'm taking my Morphe Brow and taking that shade to carve out my cheekbone and also my temple. And then after that, I'm taking that purple lightish shade to blend my mapping skill. And for this step, I'm taking those three, the black, the darker purple, and the lightish purple to blend this jawline and the temple of my face. Yeah, and I'm also shading it. I'm taking a larger flat brush to shade the jawline and also my cheekbones, my lower cheekbones. I'm taking the black shade again. I'm gonna shade the cheekbone for more definition of the cheekbone and also for my temple. Also taking that same liquid eyeliner from Essence. And for the lashes, I'm using these lashes for the left side of my face, and this is the brand Diamond. Beautiful eyelash. The style is nowhere to find, and for the right half of my face, I'm taking IC Box eyelashes. Then I'm taking the black shade to do some highlights to my cheekbone and also to my temple and to my right lips, and lining my lips with my Deborah Milano lip liner in shade 200 or bright red. And then I'm gonna top it with Essence Ultra Last Instant Color in shade 13, also in red. For the left lips, I'm taking the lightest foundation that I use from Maybelline. I'm just gonna cover my lips with it so it can be more pale. And then I'm going to take that black shade eyeshadow from Morphe 3502 palette and shade that to my inner part of my lips, and then also do the tip. I'm going to take a small flat brush for really precise stroke. And then I'm gonna take that white shimmery eyeshadow from 35U palette from Morphe to highlight the teeth. Also put that to my inner corner of my eyes, to the left side, and also to my brow bone, to the temples of my head. And my camera went off when I was doing my nose, my skull nose. this is the final look. Hope you guys like tutorial, the video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up, comments, whatever you like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a tutorial. Bye.